Welcome to Pro Fund Accounting's Unpay Invoices video.
This utility will unpay, or undo, all the invoices in a journal that was created by Pay Invoices. For example, if you have paid 15 invoices in one pay journal, this utility will unpay all 15 of those invoices in that journal. To run this utility, click Payables, select Unpay Invoices. The following window will appear, showing the list of journals that have been created from Pay Invoices. Select the journal you wish to unpay. To verify that this is the correct journal with all the checks that are to be unpaid, click on the arrow to the side. Then simply click Unpay Selected Journal. A confirmation will show, asking if you wish to unpay the invoices in the selected journal. If you wish to proceed, click Yes. A final confirmation will show, indicating all the invoices in that journal have been unpaid.
You are now working smarter with Pro Fund Accounting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.